favorite Baldy here, and today's video is going to be just a little problematic. And I know, like, I've been doing so good. I'm living in a good area. I bought my dream car. I'm happy. No boys or girls are messing with my feelings. Your girl is good. So I'm not going to make this video with negativity because I don't want to bring negativity into my life, but I do have something that I want to talk about just because it really like pisses me off and I don't like fake people. So I am not going to come out here and be like, hey, at blah 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 blah, you're super fucking fake. Like, delete your channel. I'm not gonna do that because that's just gonna bring negative energy. So I'm gonna try to like make this video, I guess you could say, the least problematic that I can, just because, like I said, I'm not trying to stir the pot. I also am at the same time. So that makes no sense. So I'm gonna share with you guys something that recently happened that I just find very, very phony and very, very fake. And if you're watching this video and you're realizing, oh shit, Vanessa's talking about me, don't text me, don't call me. Just like last time, remember how I said that people got left in 2017? Some of those people tried to text me and hit me up, and I ignored them. This person is now done because there's a principle, there's a girl, there's a human code, bitch. There's a human code, and apparently some people are such sellouts that they don't care. So let me get started on my story. Every time I go to LA, or every time I'm in LA, whether I'm living there or just visiting, I always really got my eye open. I really always have my ears wide open as well, because I'm gonna catch everything that I hear, everything that I see. And what I noticed this previous time was some fake foolery. And y'all already know I don't do fake people. I'm not gonna say like, oh my gosh, I'm the realest bitch in the fucking world, like I'm the realest in it. I'm not about to go on a whole spiel about that, but I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not going to let somebody hurt you real bad and then still try to be their friend and be your friend at the same time. No, because if they hurt you, they're gonna probably hurt me too. So I learned from that example, and that's something that everybody needs to realize. If so-and-so really played so-and-so, what makes you think that they're not gonna play you too? And I know some people change and not everybody's bad and not everybody's going to hurt you, but if there's a consistent pattern that a bitch don't know how to act right and still continues to act phony, I don't want a relationship with you anymore. Friendship, whatever, I don't care. I don't want anything to do with it anymore, because like I said, if you screwed over Huda Hada, you're going to probably hurt me too. And I know some people are gonna be like, but you can't be bitter, you can't assume that everybody's going to hurt you. Nah, I could still cut a girl off and I could be friends with someone else who's not hurting me. So at the end of the day, if it's my choice to not even risk it, then that's my choice. And to be honest, everybody should make that choice. What's the point in allowing somebody to play like that? I don't understand. Like, I really don't understand. Imagine you are, okay, this is literally like the same example. You're friends with Mariah, and you're also friends with Chelsea, okay? These are not real people, I'm just coming up with names. So, me and Mariah have been pretty good friends for a long time, right? Me and Chelsea have been good friends as well. Mariah just pulled the fakest stuff, like, literally just hurt me real bad, right? Really hurt me. And I told my other friend about it. I told Chelsea, I said, Chelsea, Mariah just hurt me so bad. Like, this was, like, one thing would be, oh, she made a little comment. Okay, we're not 10 years old. I'm talking about something that you really crossed the line. You broke the trust, you broke the friendship, you broke the relationship, right? So I'm telling Chelsea all about it. I'm like, Chelsea, Mariah really like did me dirty, and like, I mean, I'm not telling you to not be her friend, but like, you should watch out. Now, like I said, I'm not the kind of person that if I'm not friends with somebody, I don't expect you to stop being friends with them, because we're adults, we're mature. I'm not going to assume that they're gonna hurt you either. But if it's something really, really, really effed up, like if it's something that really, really, like, you really sold out your friends, you really did the most for the least. So now Chelsea's like, oh my gosh,
Mariah is so fake. I would never associate. That's what I don't do anymore. Mariah is just disgusting. Like, that's just a disgusting human. I don't F with that. That's not okay with me.
So thank you for letting me know. 2 weeks later, Mariah and Chelsea are best friends again. You're friends again. You're cool. Bitch. Bitch. Did you forget everything you just said? Mariah, this has happened many times now. This ain't the first time. This is about... I can't count that much for how many times I have heard that Chelsea has had many bad things about Mariah. Now y'all want to be friends. Now y'all want to pretend to laugh. And y'all want to pretend everything's okay. So, because if you were talking shit about Mariah to me, why the fuck do I not think you're talking about me to Mariah? Come on now. Let's not be stupid now, you guys. So, I just find that very, very funny that I just can't get, like, I just can't process it. How many times could you talk so bad about somebody, go out to eat with each other, pretend everybody's friends with each other, but 2 seconds ago you were saying you couldn't stand that bitch? I don't get it. I really don't get it. Why are you so fake? Like, why are you so fake? You think you can text me talking about, I miss you, let's hang out, we should do this, we should do that, we should link up, I really want to talk to you, like, we should get deep about it. So then we start talking deep about stuff, and then you start opening up about, I don't mess with this person, like, that's so fake, and then 2 seconds, I bounce, and then they show up again. That has happened so many times. And it literally is so annoying. Like, it's not to the point of like, oh my gosh, like, I'm so sick of it, like, I'm gonna cry about it. And no. It ain't nothing to cut a bitch off. It's very simple. It's very easy for me to literally go, toon, you're done. Whatever. Bye. Bye. One thing would be if it was maybe one time. But if this is every single time, this is every time we were hanging out, you were just talking so much shit. I don't get it. Like, I'm exhausted. I'm minding my business over here. I ain't dealing with nobody. Point is that I just don't understand. It's so funny. Like, it's literally so funny to me. Like, I want to laugh and cry, or like cry a tear. I just want to like cry a tear and like laugh. Like, it's just so comical to me. I don't care what you're smoking. I don't care what you're inhaling. I don't care what you're putting in your body. I don't know what kind of drugs you're on. I don't know what kind of natural remedy you're on. I don't know what's going on with the chemical of your brain that is causing you to process this somehow. And you don't always have to be an evil person. You could just be someone with shitty intentions. You could be somebody that completely lost themselves, so you don't know what's going on. And I think that's what's going on with this person, to be honest. I really think they don't know what they're doing. Really trying to chase a motherfucking check.
Now, don't get me wrong! I am all about chasing a check, darling, and I'm all about supporting other women and men chasing a check as well. But when it gets to the point of you are ruining every relationship with everyone because it's all about money, you don't care if it's real, you don't care if it's fake, that's when it's crossing the line, and that's why I'm mad.
How money hungry could you be that, like, money is more than friendship, money is more than love? Because at the end of the day, you're going to be by yourself.
And for all y'all little hard asses out there that want to be like, I don't care, as long as I got my money, I could be all by myself. No, because that's why you see a lot of celebrities go downhill. They turn to drugs. They're depressed. They take their own lives because they're so lonely, and they say that the money's not worth it. So don't try to act hard and be like, I don't care if I got my money. I could be by myself. No. Humans are social creatures. Don't try to act hard.
And you're going to be like, oh shit. Oh wait, hold on. That already happened to you. Wait, so the moral of this story to whoever's listening to this, whether you are a YouTuber, a muser, a regular schmegular girl who works a 9-to-5 job, I don't care what you're doing. Stop being so fake. Just stop. What's the point of pretending to be friends with Mariah and you're best friends with Mariah and you're talking shit about Chelsea, but then when you're with Chelsea, you're talking about Mariah? It just doesn't make sense. It's just so phony to me. So I just had something to say. I keep getting texted a million times and snapped a million times, so I'm gonna let this video go, but I just had to say what I had to say. I don't care. I had to let it go. It had to come out. I'm ranting. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Here's today's makeup look. Stay tuned for more. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Bye.